So if you want to take full page screenshots, you will need to be on iOS 13 or later, and you can do this by going on the settings application. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down and click on general, then go ahead and click on software update and update to the latest version of iOS. So to do this, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the Safari browser, and this will only work on the Safari browser, but it may be supported for more browsers in the future. You then want to go ahead and load up a web page, for example apple.com, and you want to go ahead and take a screenshot like normal. So once you've taken your screenshot, you want to go ahead and tap on it in the bottom left hand corner, and it's going to give you a few options like this. Now we want to go ahead and click on full page in the top right hand corner, and you can go ahead and scroll through the web page that you've just taken a screenshot of. Now in order to save this web page, all you need to do is go ahead and click on done in the top left hand corner. Then you want to go ahead and click on save PDF to files. Now you can go ahead and choose where you want to save it, so I'm going to select on my iPhone. Then you want to go ahead and click on save. So in order to access this PDF file, all you want to do is go ahead and open up the files application, and then you want to go to wherever you saved it, so mine's on my iPhone, and then you want to go ahead and open it up, and as you can see I can load up the PDF file that I've just taken a screenshot of. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. If you have any questions, just leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a good day.